As you're ready, grab your blanket, your cushion, and set yourself up for our pranayama practice on day 6. Stack your shoulders above your hips. Settle into your seat. In today's practice, we'll be moving into the fire breath, also known as the Kapalabhati breath. This breath is where the inhale happens naturally, and the exhale, as you exhale, you draw your belly button in towards your spine with control. So as we inhale, natural. As we exhale, pull the breath out. Inhale comes naturally. You're not even trying to inhale. Rather, the inhale breath is going to happen all on its own. And every exhale, belly button to spine. So for just a moment, you can watch me, and then I'll guide you through it. First, a clearing breath. I'll take, inhale, exhale. Inhaling 2/3. So you'll notice that it's not a super fast breath. I pull the breath in as much as I can. I pull the belly in as much as I can as I exhale. And then the inhale just comes. As I exhale, push the air out, pull the belly in. The inhale just comes. Let's try it together. 5 full cycles of breath. Every cycle, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Remember, the inhale is natural. When you exhale, push the breath out as you pull the belly in. All right, hands onto your thighs, palms face down. Lift your heart. Soften your face. Close your eyes. Couple breaths here, in and out of your nose. Inhale through your nose. Exhale, empty. Inhale 2/3 and begin. On the 5th one, press the breath out as you draw the belly in. Return back to your breath. The second round will go for 10 cycles. Remember, for the fire breathing breath, the inhale is natural. You push the exhale breath out as you draw the belly in with force, with control. This is a heat-building breath. To begin, clear your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale 2/3 and begin. Inhale, exhale through your nose after your 10th cycle of breath. For this next round that we do together, I'll invite you to take as many cycles of breath that meets your own edge, where you can breathe for 5 cycles of breath or up to 20 cycles of breath. Just remember, inhale is natural, and you want to push the exhale breath out as you draw the belly in. Let's start together. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your nose. Inhale 2/3 to begin. When you complete, push your last final exhalation out and return back to your natural breathing. Notice the effects, how you feel. And then as you're ready, find your way back into natural breathing if you're not already there. Bring your hands to your heart, chin to your chest. Namaste. Release the hands, open your eyes. And just know that you can take this video several more rounds. You can also do a timer or several repetitions, several rounds, and you choose how many cycles of breath. See if over the next few days, the next few weeks, if you can slowly, gradually increase to where every round you have 30 cycles of breath. Inhale, exhale 30 times. Inhale, natural. Exhale, push all the air out. At the same time, draw the belly in. This is a great pose for, this is a great pranayama for building heat, as well as stimulating the digestive system. So it's a great breath to start your day with. Do the Ujjayi breath and then move into the fire breath. All right? I'll see you tomorrow on day 7. Have an amazing day.